Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Phantom Kunai in Sekiro. This versatile prosthetic tool allows you to launch a swift, ranged projectile at your foes. It's incredibly useful for interrupting enemy attacks or finishing off weakened opponents from a safe distance. Each use consumes just one spirit emblem, making it a very efficient option for various combat situations. Mastering its basic function is your first step to becoming a more agile shinobi. To acquire the Phantom Kunai, you must first upgrade your basic loaded kunai at any sculptor's idol. This typically requires a special item like the mechanical barrel, along with a modest amount of sen and upgrade materials. Once crafted, navigate to your prosthetic arts menu and select the Phantom Kunai to equip it. Assign it to one of your 3 quick slots for easy access during intense combat encounters. This preparation is crucial for seamless integration into your fighting style. The Phantom Kunai shines in various combat scenarios. It is particularly effective for interrupting enemy charge-up attacks or perilous thrusts, creating openings for you to exploit. When enemies are airborne, a well-aimed kunai can inflict substantial posture damage, often leading to a quick death blow. Try combining it with a quick dash or a follow-up sword attack to maintain pressure. Its versatility makes it a valuable asset for both offensive and defensive maneuvers. For advanced users, the Phantom Kunai offers even more strategic depth. It is exceptionally potent against agile or flying enemies, often knocking them out of the air. You can also use its rapid animation to cancel the recovery frames of certain sword attacks, allowing for quicker follow-ups. Mastering precise aiming is key to maximizing its impact and efficiently managing your spirit emblems. Experiment with different timings and combinations to truly unlock its full potential in battle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.